Yo, Oklahoma, we got a new episode of Me and My Dog, and it starts right now, here. Everybody's in. Network time. And my dog. Okay guys, don't do anything unusual within the next 15 because tomorrow's the big race. The final round of the rescheduled Stillwater Grand Prix, and whoever wins this race gets to become the next racer for Nimbus's team Dynaco.
Well, I'll be damned. This is going to be fucking fabulous. Let's sure hope this goes a little better than the last two, huh?
Yep, it would.
But one car with a supercharged V8 is the key to everything.
Dad, there's not just one, but two of them, based on the VE Commodore. Well, no need to be below the wire, Tori, because Leonard's is getting it right now.
Molly, you do know it's a Pontiac, right?
Yes, but the last performance car ever built before it got shut down 15 years ago.
What a fucking shame, mate. I was 5 when the Pontiac brand got discontinued as a result of the restructuring process by General Motors. Oh, and by the way, after the race, I have to go with Aaron and Elijah to Branson soon after that.
Don't forget to go to Outback Steakhouse in Springvale for lunch with Aaron, Elijah, and Leonard's good friend who offered him some food, booze, and mags.
I'll do that on the way back. Right now, I just gotta pack up tomorrow. Because one thing for sure, but her name is Angela White, sorry. Anyway.
Wait a minute, was Angela White the Aussie actress who gave Leonard the Corvette CR1 and offered him 3 months' supply of food, booze, and porn mags?
Yeah,
ish. Leonard's gone to the dark side. I bet she likes the Aussie deal that comes around every year.
Nonsense! Leonard's doing that just to satisfy her. And the Aussie deal has only happened once and for a limited time. So, I'm going over there. Guys, Merlin just called me, and he was with Leonard to help him find that supercharged V8 Pontiac he was looking for.
Another V8 Pontiac. This may just be the year of the evolution of the Commodores.
My brother is right on that regard, because it takes us up to $9,260 to buy one.
$9,260?!
That's what I said.
Hey, no more bullshit. Leonard still has to find it by sunset.
That's more money than the cost of a grilled chicken wrap.
Ahem. I fucking love those things. I get them at the Wendy's every single Wednesday.
But did you report yesterday?
Yes, I have, a matter of fact.
Did you get the fries and bacon with that?
Yes. Ish. Like always.
Did you have it delivered to our campground?
Yeah, but I have to have DoorDash with that. So don't get too crazy with that. In fact, I'm gonna go out and get it right now. Again. Because I'm getting really hungry, man. Factory Cat, have you got any word from Leonard? Well, good. Where is it?
It was at Palmar the Deadman.
It reached to these 3 words.
What?
Hot. Burning. Rubber.
Let me guess. It's a G8 GT SLP.
Bingo.
Bingo? The last word for the car?
Merlin is currently driving it to bring it here.
He'll be back home within the next hour.
Why the hell would he be back before dinner? I've already got things settled up.
You know how long it took this?
So?
Just like my father says, even my big brother knows how to turn and pass a bell.
That was my time as mayor of Joplin.
Oh, don't do that, darling. We already know that whole thing. Well, for once, let's just wait for another hour for them to come home. Ugh. More than an hour has passed, and Leonard still hasn't returned yet. What's the point?
Isn't it about time you went into SUVs?
Bruh, I need the money to get a fucking SUV. Even the J250 Series Land Cruiser Prado.
That's out of all of the four-wheel drive SUVs they build.
As we found out, you complete bollocks, sea horror. God damn! He's here already. We got to go see it. Let's go outside.
Holy motherfucker. A little something for you.
Where the absolute, complete, utter bollocks did you get that?
This is the motherfucking SLP Firehawk.
SLP fucking Firehawk? You spastic cunt!
Damn, Leonard, you literally gave me a heart attack. Nice car you got.
Thanks, go Shakur.
Leonard, you're fucking crazy! That has got a 6-speed manual. It's just the right fit for tomorrow's race.
Great. Now here's the deal. I'll start this for 100 laps, and Tori's gonna finish it for the final 100. The race begins tomorrow at 1 p.m. Steven got his own car, the 2013 Dodge Challenger SRT8.
Oh, really? Is that so?
Yes, and Clay Petrovic, Molly's boyfriend, is gonna be in the Ford GT, a 2017 model.
Ooh, that's cool.
Be forewarned, there's a hot-headed bastard going there too.
And who's the hot-headed bastard?
Avi probably knows, but I don't know. But he could be a Russian tablet who drives a Saturn or a Green Line.
Well, that bastard does not stand a chance against you and Tori when the race begins. So, let it play. To be continued in the next episode. And as always, now it's time for sign off. Well guys, this now concludes our broadcasting for today on ATN Channel 7, the WB, the CW, UPN, Discovery, and City TV Plus. And now, thank you for watching me and my dog. But hold everything, because starting next Thursday, we are gonna end the season with a bang, because it's the 2-night finale, and it all begins next week with the final round of the Stillwater Grand Prix. Who do you think will win? Find out. And on a special day and time, Sunday, May 18th, it's the final showdown with Militia Stella Tweety. Can they survive? Or will everything fall apart? So, don't miss out. New Me and My Dog, all new next Thursday, 10/9 Central. And don't miss the double episode season finale on a special night and time, Sunday, May 18th, 9/8 Central, here on the WB. Right now, everyone is going to bed. From all of us at this channel, we wish you all a very special good night. Now until then, this is Landon Stark Miller signing off. Have a good night, everybody, and we'll see you then.